Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Here we have gathered for match number 17 between All Stars versus ICC 11 and the captain of All Stars, Sridhar, and captain of ICC 11 we've got Abhay, and match official by my side is Deepak, and Sridhar's got the coin, he shall spin, and Abhay will give the call as head, and the call is heads. He's won the toss and is elected to bat first. You've played 4 matches, 1 match won and 3 lost. And what is the strategy for the last game as it's 5-match league game? Any changes in your team? You go with the same team. Anything you had just to draw on the whiteboard after the last game?
Nothing as such. I mean, we just want to keep it simple and play the best game.
Wish you all the very best. So you're back first. Let's go straight to the captain of All Stars, Sridhar, standing by my side. 2 games played and 2 you could not get your team over the line. So how would you feel, and any strategies or changes?
No, I think we don't want to change anything as such.
Any changes for your team?
Yeah, only one change. Navin is not able to participate.
And how would you say that if it would be the opening win for you?
I don't know. I mean, I cannot comment on that now. So we'll see afterwards.
Definitely, wish you all the very luck. So this is the news from the center, where All Stars have won the toss and elected to bat first. Smack straight over covers, and will collect the boundary. First runs coming in form of and he's cleaned him up. And he's taken him on, and the ball will surely land in no man's area, and it's running. Yells to catch. Lovely. Or 2. And the luck favors batsman here. Definitely. Will. And beautifully got under the ball and gets 4. Slashed it well. What a beautiful cut. He's cut it away. Lovely driven. He tumbled down. And will they collect to it? He's quick on his feet. Is he quick enough? The throws off the strap. Comes down. And it's gone past his head. Beautiful shot. And a lovely strike. And it is a 4 again. And he's taken it.
Fielders. And he misfields. And he's taken on again. Will have to do work. And he gives up. And he's connected well. And it will run away for the boundary. Bowler. He's been bowled on the last ball. And he's been cleaned up again. He comes. And he's found the inside edge. And he's taken, he's connected well. A really good note to finish your innings off with the boundary. And straight over his head. He'll just see the ball. And the ball's gone past everyone. And they'll collect 4. Cuts it. Will the fielder be able to chase it? Will he be able to chase it? No, he won't be able to chase it. It was a beautiful shot.
Hello.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Quick summary of match number 17, which happened between All Stars versus ICC 11, where ICC 11 won the toss and elected to bat first, scoring 138 runs on fall of 5 wickets, where Bala was man of the match, awarded man of the match for scoring 52, blistering knock, coming down the order and helping his team to climb the total. And whereas on the other hand, All Stars demise for them, tough match, nail biting. They could manage to get only 135 runs on fall of 9 wickets, just falling 3 runs short. Here we have, firstly let's go and speak to the captain, who's had a demise again. Unfortunate, Sriram, unfortunate to be on this side again. What a nail biting match that we witnessed here.
Yeah, actually,
I feel your frustration, to be very honest.
yeah, it is frustrating to not tackling
But still, you have two more matches coming up. Few bad matches will not prove that you're a bad player. It's true, right? As a captain.
Yeah, that's what we
Hard luck, and I wish you all the very best for the upcoming 2 games. And still, if you keep up your run rate, then the chances are still on. Let's go straight to the captain who's won. Shashi, if I can call upon Shashi to have a word with him. Firstly, congratulations, last game. What a game to close. You know, if you cannot leave your impression at the first, at least you can leave it at the end, is what the people say with the idiom. How do you feel that you have closed it with a victory?
Yeah, actually, it was a close game. Last few matches we've been playing close games, and catching was pretty good. We've come back good with the bowling as well. So overall, the fielding was also better than the previous matches. So this consistent performance will go on, and hopefully finish these close matches. Few, startup, the score was a bit less than what we expected, but hopefully we'll come back in the next games and we'll win with heavier margins.
In the bowling department, 2 of the bowlers picked 3 wickets. One is Abhay, the captain who was presenting on field, and another one is Ankit, who bowled 3 overs, conceded 16 runs and picked 3 wickets. Any special note to your bowlers?
Yeah, so the captain Abhay has been bowling really well, and he took the charge in the second last over and he picked up crucial wickets. He blocked the batsman, and that was a game-turning moment for us. I mean, he blocked a couple of batsmen. And, yeah, overall the bowlers have been performing well. Hope that the first bowlers pick up more wickets in the initial crucial innings, and overall good performance by the bowlers.
So before we head on to man of the match, as this was the pack of your 5-league match, let's hope that you are into platinum, gold, or it is a 3-cup format. Before we go, any special accolades to your team, or you want to acknowledge about the tournament, what would you like to say?
Yeah, overall, it's been a good experience. I mean, we've been bowling and batting well. The fielding has been exceptional so far. And overall in the next few matches, what we aim is that we bat better. And the bowling should be tight, the fielding should be even better, not miss any catches. And hopefully we'll come back in the top league. So thank you. Overall performance and the organizing was pretty good. Thank you.
And not to keeping waiting for a long time, I'd like to call upon the man who stole and took everyone by storm today, Bala, man of the match. Round of applause for him. He'll be felicitated by the match referee today, Seenu Nayak. And the captain available here of All Stars. So, as the photo's done, we'll have a word with Bala here who's standing. You played good now. మీరు చాలా బాగా ఆడారు, కానీ ఎట్లయినా ఏమైనా ప్రెషర్ వచ్చిందా మీకు క్యాప్టెన్ దగ్గర నుంచి? ఎందుకంటే మీరు కొంచెం లోవర్ ఆర్డర్లో బ్యాటింగ్ చేస్తున్నారు కదా, కానీ ఏ మైండ్ సెట్లో వస్తారు మీరు బ్యాటింగ్ చేయడానికి యాజ్ ఎ లో ఆర్డర్ బ్యాట్స్మెన్? ఎట్లా ఏ టెంపరమెంట్లో వచ్చారు? ఎందుకంటే మీ వికెట్స్ పడిపోయినాయి కదా.
బాల్ నుంచి ఆడడం వెయిట్ చేసి బాల్ వచ్చినప్పుడు అటాక్ చేయడం.
థ్యాంక్ యూ, చాలా బాగా ఆడారు. Semi-finals, whatever the cup you face in. So before closing, as we told that not to forget our sponsors, we'd like to thank humbly and we are privileged to have our sponsors, L Rockers, Foursquare Sports Shop, R11, RR Stones and MSR Tipper Services. This is it from match number 17. Let's go ahead straight to match number 18 which is going on live. Thank you.